Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW, guys, 1 Series BMW, I'm talking about generation E81 E82, guys, even generation E87 E88 and F20, guys, stay with us and we will explain how to remove and replace ignition coil and how to know, okay, which ignition coil is bad and how to remove and replace it. Stay with us, we'll cover all that today. In addition, guys, all the tools and parts that we use, or if you need to buy new ignition coil, we'll put the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. We'll share it for your convenience, guys. Before we start, let me introduce you quick to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information, guys. So let us show you what we have here, guys, okay, and what we'll be working on. This is a 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be very similar. That N52 engine can be found in so many BMWs, and today we will explain how to do it on 1 Series BMW, because many of you asked me in the comment section below. Now, what you need to do, guys, first, okay, right here it's your upper engine cover. You will need to remove your upper engine cover, guys. So how you do that? Okay, you just grab the cover and pull it straight up. It has 4 clips where it attaches to the engine. This is on the 6-cylinder engine right here. And if you have a 4-cylinder engine, it should be very similar. Now, those are, guys, your ignition coils right here. We will explain how to remove and replace them now. You have 6 of them on 6-cylinder engine. But before we continue, guys, check out this channel, How to Repair, guys. This is our main channel, guys, and we have helped more than 71 million people. So check it out. Very helpful information will be shared, information that can save you thousands of dollars. So if you come on the very front side of your engine, cylinder number 1 is the one towards the radiators. Then you go in order, cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6 right there. Okay, so now if you guys have engine light, service engine light on your BMW, and you have code P0354, means that you have ignition coil on cylinder number 4, that's bad. The last digit of the code is actually the cylinder number, and it can say even ignition coil D, that has a problem, because they go like that. Cylinder number 1 is ignition coil A, then you go B, C, D, E, F. They go in alphabetical order. So if you guys need to remove and replace ignition coil, guys, okay, we're going to explain how to do that now. It's not very complicated. We'll do this one because it's easy to see. On cylinder number 3, you need to open that cap. When you open it, it will pull the wire out. If that wire is stuck, you have to pull the wire at the same time while you're opening the cap. That can happen, okay, if the coil hasn't been removed for a while, guys. Now, after that, this ignition coil, you need to grab it. Okay, grab it, and you need to start pulling it and twisting a little bit because it may feel stuck, guys. Okay, and this is it. You can see that's the ignition coil. Now, if you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so check it out where we get them from. But installation, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart. You install it, you get it on top of the spark plugs. Now right here you may notice that we have quite a bit of oil leaks, and we'll have a video about that explains what causes oil in the spark plug wells. That's very, very helpful information, guys. Connect the wire, push down, and make sure that it closes correctly and the wire is plugged all the way in, otherwise it will not work correctly. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.